Located in London, Percy Street Apartments has well-equipped accommodations featuring free Wi-Fi, a 14-minute walk from British Museum. All units comprise a seating area, and a fully equipped kitchen with various cooking facilities, including a dishwasher, a microwave and a toaster. A fridge and electric teapot are also offered. A bowling alley is available on site and cycling can be enjoyed within close proximity of the property. Dominion Theatre is 1.4 kilometers from the apartment. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 14.5 kilometers from the property. Westminster Borough is a great choice for travellers interested in shopping, parks and city walks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.